Okay, I'm going to be making an adapter that's going to connect the bike and drill together. So the first step is cutting this 12mm pipe. This pipe is going to connect on the bike side. Next, I'm going to cut a 10mm pipe. It's going to connect on the drill side. Then I'm going to join the two pipes together, and then I'm going to thread a screw on the bigger side because the bigger side is going to connect to the crankshaft on the bike. So I'm hoping that the screw that I'm installing is going to screw onto the shaft and hold onto it, giving it grip. But it later fails, and I'm going to use glue to hold it in place. So I'm going to take apart this e-bike that I built in a previous video. Go check it out. And I'm going to be making this newer electric bike. So this is where the crankshaft goes. I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to install the adapter. So I tried screwing the screw, and I tried drilling onto the shaft itself, but it failed. I couldn't install the screw, so I'm just going to glue it. But I'm going to use the vice grip just to test to make sure that the concept works. So the vice grip is holding onto the shaft nicely. Then I'm going to install the drill on the smaller side of the shaft, and boom. All right, check this out. So another electric bike is completed. Okay, so this electric bike is the drill version. So a drill is actually powering this bike, making it an electric bike. So basically, the drill itself is connected directly to the crankshaft. So instead of using your legs to pedal, the drill is doing that job for me. Okay, so I have a nice 12-volt battery on the bike rack. So the 12-volt battery goes to the 12-volt brushed speed controller for an RC car. From the speed controller is connected to a receiver that connects to this remote right here, and then the speed controller is connected to the drill, and the trigger for the drill, I zip tied it. So the only thing controlling the speed right now is the speed controller, right? Okay, so that's that. Okay, so right, let me set it up. So the first thing is I have to connect that 12-volt battery to the speed controller, and here's the connector right here. I pull out the speed controller like that, and then I connect it. Boom, it's connected. All right, and then right here is just a plastic bottle, right? Okay, so the plastic bottle itself holds all the electronics nice and neatly like this, and the drill is held in place by this piece of wood, and the wood is connected to this the frame of the bike itself. Okay, so the speed controller is on. I switch on the remote. Okay, so we jump on the bike, right? It's on the lowest gear, and then when I accelerate, it should move. Look at that. And then I can put my legs at the back right here. And then we switch this off. Yeah, so that's the drill bike. Okay, So I still need to do more modifications because it looks like the glue itself is not strong enough to hold it in place. But once that has been connected properly, it should be able to power the bike itself. So I need to modify this part to handle the power, and once I modify it, the bike should work properly. Alright, so we'll do that for part 2. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video. Alright, bye.